That's Travel Down Tips and Tricks. In this video, we'll cover the best strategies for mastering Travel Town.
So, to get started, always keep your board organized to avoid clutter. Prioritize merging high value items instead of wasting time on smaller ones. Save your gems for valuable purchases rather than spending them on energy refills. Utilize event rewards and complete challenges to earn rare materials. Lastly, play consistently to take advantage of time based bonuses and daily rewards. Another important strategy is to focus on completing tasks in order rather than jumping around. This ensures you maximize your rewards efficiently. Also, if you run out of energy, be patient and let it regenerate over time instead of spending currency. Managing your time wisely will help you progress faster without unnecessary spending. And that's how you become a pro at Travel Town.